It's a new thing to Brisbane, having low and slow in Brisbane. It's still building in terms of the size when you look at how big it is in America. For us, it's about designing it in a way that Australians are used to eating, in a plate design, and they can experience what we're trying to offer on that low and slow meat. I think a big part of our craft beer too is that it's all independent brews, so we make sure that we're supporting independence as a big thing for us being a small business as well. In terms of advice for other people about to embark on a restaurant or who are in the journey of a restaurant, being adaptive. We started our restaurant literally in the middle of COVID. We were due to sign the lease on this place the night ScoMo announced national shutdown in March 2020. So we put it on hold, and it was about July that we kind of went, it's now or never, COVID's going nowhere. And I think part of why we're still here is that we constantly change the game plan. You have to keep changing.